In this tutorial, we're going to create a connection for Shopify, unlocking true real-time bidirectional sync across more than 200 connectors, covering all your critical business systems, databases, and data warehouses, powered by Stacksync. Let's get started. In the Stacksync dashboard, we navigate to Create Resource. From there, we proceed to Connections and select Shopify. To configure this connection, we'll need three things: the shop name, client ID, and client secret. To retrieve these, let's head over to our Shopify instance and go to Settings. Everything that appears before myshopify.com is your store name. Go ahead and copy that value, then save it for the next step. Next, navigate to Apps and select Develop Apps. Inside the Dev dashboard, we create a new app. Let's name it Stacksync Connection. Once created, we assign the required access scopes. The complete list of required scopes is available in the video description. Be sure to reference it carefully. For the redirect URL, use the one provided by Stacksync. Once all settings are configured, go ahead and release your app. You'll be prompted to specify a version name. With the app released, go to Settings to retrieve your client ID and client secret. Now, let's return to the Stacksync dashboard. For the shop name, paste the value you saved earlier, then enter your client ID and client secret. Click Next to continue. Select Install Stacksync Connection, then return to Shopify Connector in Stacksync. Navigate to Connections and select Shopify once more. Enter your shop name, client ID, and client secret. Then, provide a meaningful connection name, such as Shopify Connection, and create the connection. With this connection in place, your team can now sync bidirectionally in real time across more than 200 connectors, supporting every critical operational use case at enterprise scale. Stacksync accelerates time to value from months to days, so your engineering team can reclaim valuable hours from integration plumbing and redirect that effort toward high-impact innovation, all backed by enterprise-grade security and compliance, including SOC 2, GDPR, and HIPAA. As an AI-native integration cloud, Stacksync empowers organizations using Shopify to build intelligent workflow automation, manage queues, and interact seamlessly with hyperscale databases and EDI systems, supported by a global network of over 5,000 partners. Get started at Stacksync.com, the #1 AI-ready enterprise integration cloud.